Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with abusinesswithtrading.com, doing an S&P futures market analysis with key support levels for the week beginning November 9th. Should be an interesting week, and I do believe that between this red box and this first green box is where the market's probably going to move around. You know, I could be wrong, and that's why I have this additional box down here. But what I'm initially looking for is somewhere south of 2060. I have 2057 half on the chart, and somewhere south of that I do believe we will find resistance, and this is what I'm looking for. This box down here is when this breaks, we can start looking lower. So what I'm looking at initially is this 2020 half level. Once the market does break down, we do want to watch this area very closely. You know, right now it can move up again, and that's why I have this red box here. You know, but the way we want to look at this is this line has already been tested over here, so it can go ahead and play out as resistance. We really just have to wait and see. Once this area does break, we do want to watch this area very closely, because if it does break down, it can still go higher, but there's a better chance that it goes lower. So if once the market breaks down below this box, which the lower level is at 1993, once 1993 is breached, then I think we can easily keep an eye on 1970, and more likely than that would be 1960 half to 1955. So that's really what I would be looking at. From there, this should be good resistance. So that's what I'm looking at. Once the market does hit this, I expect it to bounce, and that's why it's green. But at the same hand, this could be resistance, and then this would be the next target zone. If the market does break this box, however, we do want to watch this down here at 1926 half to 1919. So that's what we do want to keep an eye on. If price just breaks this one, and then bounces off of here, I would expect resistance to come in a little bit lower, probably in this zone here. You know, it can still come in up here, but that's what I would expect. You know, and it could actually get a little bit ugly if it just broke these levels and hit this level. I'm not expecting that. Like I said, I'm expecting it to be somewhere between 1960 and 2032 this week. So we'll have to wait and see what actually does transpire. But those are the levels that I'm looking at. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. You can always leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome trading week, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.